Okay, we're rolling. Hi, this is Gary again. I recently did a sound test for the Epiphone Les Paul Special 2 that I picked up recently at Music Go Round. To be fair, I want to do a sound test when it's got a clean sound because it sounds really good actually. The more I play it, the more I think I like the way it sounds. I don't know if I want to modify it now. Anyway, here's some of the clean sounds it gets. This is the neck pickup. Here's the middle. And this would be the bridge pickup. Well, I fucked that up.